This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Seperate. This well-maintained home has extra RV parking, huge workshop, with AC, plus an extra hobby room. Fire pit area. Beautiful large pool and covered patio, under trusses, completely screened in. New roof, family room, as well as separate living room. Plenty of room for kids to have their space. The kitchen overlooks the pool area and a separate dining room. Split floor plan with master that walks out to pool area. This home has all the bells and whistles. Pavers around the home are A+, when it comes to storage and setup for a she shed and separate man room. For a home business. So much extra space, with room to grow here. You will have to see the endless possibilities in this home. For more information, review the details below or contact Seperate at 239-443-3160.